Okay, friends. Good afternoon to everyone. How are you? So, did you compare your village with the Palampur? Which is the best one? Your village or Palampur? Just give this answer also and think about this answer also. Right. Just give me 1 second time. Yeah. Now, I told you about the land yesterday. Yes. And today we will do how is land distributed. Some part of is complete, some part is completed. Again, I will recapitulate it so that it should be in your mind. How is land distributed? We must have realized how important land is in a farm. Farming के लिए, किसानों के लिए जमीन कितनी जरूरी है, you know better. The village people who are living in village and who are living in Punjab, Haryana, and their relatives are farmers, and they knew that what is the importance of, land for their farming. Unfortunately, not all the people they are engaged, they're engaged in the agriculture have sufficient land for cultivation. बहुत सारे लोगों के पास अपनी जमीन नहीं होती. They are farmers. Let me tell you one thing. They are farmers, but they are not able to do farming for their own purpose. This means they don't have the land for their own. Right? We call it in Hindi, we call it Dihari Garo. Or some they used to work in other farms. In Palampur, one-third of the 450 families are landless. I told you yesterday, and 150 families, most of them Dalits, have no land for cultivation. On the remaining families who own land, 240 families cultivate small plots of land less than 2 hectares. And I gave you one story also. A person was having in 1960 Govindu farmer 225 hectares of land, and after his death, he has the land was distributed, and for everyone, for the children, 0.75 hectares of land they were having. What to do now? So we can see here, last paragraph going on. We can see now. Start over here. This large number of small plots scattered around the village in the picture. These are cultivated by the small farmers. On the other hand, more than half of the area village is covered by plots that are quite large in size. In Palampur, there are 60 families of medium and large families who cultivated more than 2 hectares of land. Got it? 60 families are there who are having more than 2 hectares of land. You know, the whole story relates to the land. The story relates to the agriculture. The story relates to the families in Palampur or related to any village of India. Basically, precisely, I want to say that this is related to Palampur, and Palampur is any village, it's hypothetical village, any village compared to your village, compared to any village of northern India, maybe Punjab, maybe Haryana, maybe Western UP, whatever it is. A few of the large farmers have land existing over 10 hectares of land also. Now you can see the picture, here you can see the picture also, how they are doing farming. In picture, fields, wheat crop, plowing by bullocks, sowing, spraying of insecticides. I told you insecticides are there. Cultivation by traditional method, bull cast and all, right? Cultivation by modern method of cutting of crops and all, right? Modern method is also there in your right hand side picture, and old method is there, or we call it traditional method is also there. So now another question is, here, let's discuss Would you agree? And would you agree not in Palampur? Why so always in the Palampur? You will be stagnated. I don't want to put you in a stagnation form. That in your village also, could be possible. Is it possible that cultivation land is unequal in your village? Is there? Maybe some people are having ultra. They are zamindar. जमींदारी प्रथा तो बंद हो चुकी है ना बट स्टिल जमींदार we call it in Haryanvi we call it jimidar or Punjabi wallet whatever it is there right I heard this so zamindar basically landlords so some landlords are there in your village also some small farmers are also in your village some used to do the job you can say landless farmers and they used to do the job in others farming. So on this complete texture, would you agree that distribution of cultivated land is unequal in your village or in Palampur? Do you find a similar situation for India? Like, what do you think about your village? The story of your village. How many people are having 10 hectares of land? How many people are having 5 hectares or 2 hectares of small farming land? Or how many people they don't have land at all? Okay. Now, who will provide the labor? And let me tell you one thing. Labor is that doesn't mean कि ये सिर्फ शहरों में ही होता है. Labor is also in village. You know better. After land, labor is next necessary factor for production. Farming requires a great deal of hard work. Farming is having a great deal of hard work. Farming दिखने में आप ठीक है they are doing lot of having lots of money and all, but they have to do a lot of work from morning till from early morning. I must say early morning, 4 o'clock. They start their work till night. Sometimes whole night they used to be. So after land, labor is also there. Labor is in the next necessary factor for production. Farming requires a great deal of hard work. Small farmers, along with their families, cultivated their land on fields. That families, their own fields. Small farmers. Underline कीजिए sentence को. Small farmers, along with their families. Farmers with their families. Right? What to do? What they used to do? Families cultivate their own fields. Thus, they provide the labor required for farming themselves. Means what they don't go for the labor for outside. They become the labor for themselves itself in the field. Medium and large farmers hire farm labor. They hire means उनको पैसा देकर लेके आते. We call it in Hindi, typical Hindi, we call it Dihari Dharma. They are farm, landless farmers. They are landless farmers doing the job. Medium and large farmers hire farm laborers to work on their field. Okay, so and farm labor comes from either landless families or families cultivating small piece of land. ये फार्म जो फार्म लेबर्स होते हैं कहाँ से आते हैं या तो वो लोग हैं बच्चों दे आर दोज फैमिलीज हु हैव अ स्मॉल पीस ऑफ लैंड जिन पर थोड़ी सी जमीन होती है दे यूज्ड टू हैव फिनिश्ड देयर वर्क उनका काम खत्म हो चुका होता है एंड दे आर इन सर्च ऑफ अदर वर्क टू डू so that they can earn little bit money. They have their families, they have their own compulsions in their life. A family is cultivating small plots of land. Unlike farmers, farm laborers do not have a right over the crops grown on the land. Here I am with you. Here it is. Look, I will. After this paragraph, I will read also this cartoon story. Instead, they paid wages by the farmers home for their work. जिसके बदले में उनको वो बेसिकली काम करते हैं कहाँ पे, खेतों पे, and they used to get the they used to get the wages, मतलब उनको पैसा मिलता है. It could be in cash or in some kind of crop. Cash भी हो सकता है, cash भी दे सकते हैं, you know, और फसल का कुछ हिस्सा भी उसको दे दिया जा सकता है. A small part of फसल, you know. Wages can be cash or in kind of crop. Sometimes laborers get meal also. Look, let me tell you one thing. Not sometimes. Let me tell you one thing. I saw it. I saw myself. Many good families, they used to provide the meal to the laborers. वो खाना भी देते हैं, वो दाना पानी देते हैं अपने अपने लेबर्स को. उनके लिए खाना पकाया जाता है क्योंकि they used to do the job throughout the day, sometimes throughout the night, 24/7. They are working. Some small, napping, थोड़ा सा वो सोते napping में, थोड़ा सा पत्ते, थोड़ा सा सोते हैं 1 आध घंटा, then they again do the work in the field. So how will they prepare for the lunch or meal or something else? So sometimes the families of big families, they provide the meal also. Okay, wages vary widely from region to region. What do you mean by vary? मतलब कहीं पे थोड़ा ज्यादा पैसा मिलता है, कहीं पे कुछ कम पैसा मिलता है. Depends on the, states to states. Even the states which are very much rich and ultra rich, and the farmers are very good, having a good family background, a good families, and a good amount of money. They used to have good. They used to pay a good amount of money to the laborers also. This is my right. But it varies. ये अंतर है, कुछ स्टेट्स के अंदर दूसरे स्टेट में अंतर है. Sometimes laborers get meal also. Wages vary widely from region to region, from crop to crop. From one farm activity to another farm activity like sowing and harvesting, there is also a wide variation in duration of employment. कभी कभी उनको employment मिल जाती है और कभी कभी नहीं मिलती. Look, I put a little bit pause in employment, and let's just read this very interesting topic of, mm, some man is there, labor is there, women labor is there. Let's see what is there. Discussion is going on, and then from the man I start. It is difficult to find work these days. This man is saying to her counterpart women. आजकल it is difficult. It is difficult to find work these days. Only the large farmers hire us. बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो गया काम मिलना, और बहुत बड़ी बड़ी फैमिली ही हमको काम करने देती है, एंड दैट टू फॉर वेरी लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ डेज, और वो भी बहुत कम समय के लिए. मतलब दे यूज्ड टू हायर अस, but it is very difficult to get the job now these days, because now these days, everything in the farm done by the machine. Harvesters are there, sowing machines are there, tractors are there, blowers are there. So tubers are there, electricity is there, everything is in machine. Mechanized, we call it in machine. When something is doing by the machine, that is we call it in English, we call it mechanized work. Fast and the perfect work, mechanized work. So Ghanshyam, the large farmer, has just bought the harvester. A Ghanshyam a farmer is there. He's a big farmer. He's a rich farmer. His name is Ghanshyam. The woman is saying to her counterpart, just bought a harvester. उसने घनश्याम जो है ना, एक rich farmer है, वो एक harvester लेके आया है. So we are going to get even less work, और हमें बहुत कम पैसा मिलता है, कम काम. You got it? Because everything is done by the harvester, so less work is there. For less work, the amount will be also less. Obviously, amount will be also less, and the people are also less in number. People are also people is labor. Labor also less in number. So I'm in with the cartoon. So what they are going to, conversation between two people. Last year, I worked for less than 5 months in the whole year. Last year की बात कर रही है वो. She's saying that मैंने सिर्फ 5 महीने काम किया है. For 5 months, means 1 or 2 months for her own field. Maybe if she is having field of 7 months, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5 months without work. what to do. This is, you also think is how the people getting work, how the people getting their salary or a small amount of money after toiling themselves in the hot sun. Okay. Next is we have tractors for plowing. Now man is saying we have tractors. हमारे पास कई अब this is tractors, not a tractor. This is tractors means where this fellow is working. The man under which the rich farmer is having two or three tractors. One who is a tractor, two or three will be the tractors. Obviously, plural is there. Harvesters for harvesting, threshers for threshing, even for removing weeds. Some farmers spray weedicide, weedicide. No, basically, some farmers are there uh, who used to spray the medicine and who used to insecticide or pesticide. Otherwise, everything is done by the machine. Mechanized work is there. He said our master is having tractors also, he's having threshers also, he's having harvesters also. Everything is done by the machine. Now, the woman says, this year I will have to look for work in the brick making unit in Raigad. This says, this अब तो और भी mechanized हो चुका women says, अब तो और भी mechanized हो चुका है. I will not be able to get the work now. I think so. He says. So what to do? She will ask for some other work. She will be to go for other work so that she can fetch up the family. This is the condition of our, you know, farmers, mediocre farmers, or the farmers who don't have the land at all, right? Daily wages and all. They have to go for the other day. Then we say that we are agrarian country, and we say it. हम कहते हैं कि भारत एक एग्रीकल्चर कृषि प्रधान देश है. भारत एक कृषि प्रधान देश. If the कृषि प्रधान देश is there, then the farmers should be well off. But small farmers are well off, but other farmers are doing the job into their well off family farm. Okay. This year, I will have to look for other work in brick making. Brick making मतलब ईंटों का भट्टा, जहाँ पे ईंटें बनती हैं. वहाँ पे वो काम करना चाहती है, काम करेगी, काम ढूंढेगी, काम करेगी, नहीं काम ढूंढेगी. After doing this job, because there is no work now in the field of farmers, they have to go for other job. Then the person here is saying, the man is saying, I owe the I owe the local money lender rupees 2,000. मतलब मैंने उसको 2,000 रुपए देनी है. ये बंदा ये जो है कह रहा है वो, और जो लेबर है. I had taken rupees 1,000 last summer when no work was available in the field. How will I ever repay? I hardly have enough money for 2 squares of meat. 2 squares of meat. जैसे पता नहीं मैं कैसे इन 2,000 रुपए को दे पाऊंगा. मैंने उनसे 1,000 रुपए लास्ट को लिया था, फिर 1,000 रुपए लिए, अब 2,000 रुपए बन चुके हैं. हाउ टू repay back? I don't know how I will do it. मैं कैसे कर पाऊंगा? And she said, what she said? She says same thing. By my situation is not much better due to the past debt. Debt means udhar. DEBT. There's a B silent over there. It's not debt. It's debt. This debt, it's a past debt. The money lender refused to give me any loan. Money lender जिसके पास इतना पैसा है, अच्छा पैसा है, तो वो कहते मैं और तुम्हें लोन नहीं दूंगा, पहले अपना पुराना हिसाब दूंगा, उसके बाद मैं सोचूंगा. So this is our condition is not good. Okay, that's why lots of people, farmers, they sell off their land to the rich families or to the government or to whatever. Now, here I come over here. Dala. Dala is a landless farm laborer who works on daily wages in Palampur. This means he must regularly look for work. डेली वेजर का काम करता है और he must look for the work where उसको और काम चाहिए कहाँ पे पालमपुर. This means he must regularly look for work. The minimum wages for farm labor sets up a government rupees 300 per day. Government ने उसके लिए decide, government also is thinking for this. They said they are fixed wages for the landless laborers. And when according to this book, the 300 per day is there. That farm person, the farm master, the land owner has to pay 300 rupees per day to the labor. It was March 2017. It's written over here. March 2017 में एक कोई भी लेबर को 300 रुपए देने होते हैं एक दिन की दिहाड़ी. But Dala gets only rupees 160. दाला को कितने मिलते हैं 160 मिलते हैं. कागजों में 300 दिखाया जाता है. Whatever it is written, he is to sign over there because could be possible he is illiterate, possible he is there. But how many days? He knows how to count it. Everybody knows how to count the money. Let me tell you. Maybe he is illiterate or maybe he is literate. Everybody knows how to count the money. So he is getting 300 rupees per day. In March 2017 is the story, but Dala gets rupees 160. Why 160? Because then he can say like you do the job or not to do the job, it's your wish, right? I will pay you 160. मैं 160 रुपए दूंगा, काम करना है करो, नहीं करना तुम्हारी मर्जी, right? But उसको सिग्नेचर 300 पे करने. There is a heavy competition for work. It's written over. It's written. There is a heavy competition. Let me come over here. Yeah, here. There is a heavy competition for work. I'll add the screen for work because competition बहुत है. Here also in you can see Panipat, and let me tell you in Chandigarh, one is labor chowk. That particular chalk, that particular square is famous for the labor only. In Panipat is also there, in Karnal is also there, where you can find everyday mazdoor from there. You bargain with them, right? And you will pay for it. For work among the farm laborers in Palampur, so people have to work for lower wages because competition is very much over there. So people they agree for the lower wages also. Dala complains about this situation to Ramkali. Okay, the name of the man is Dala and the woman name is Ramkali. Okay, so I was in search with what is the name, so that's why I was saying about he and she or the he farm labor, he farm labor. So Dala complains about the situation to Ramkali, who is another farm labor. Both Dala and Ramkali are among the poorest people in the village. It means that the village is divided in between the three categories of the people. One person, one category is ultra rich. 100 acres of land, 70 acres of land, 50 acres of land. Some are less, some are absolutely poor, like Ramkali and Dala. Okay, now next topic is Next topic is about 6 point number 6. Okay, let's discuss also why are farm laborers like Dala and Ramkali poor? Obviously, it's a very good, interesting topic. Why here? Why are farm laborers like Dala and Ramkali poor? Farm labor जो दाला और रामकली है इतने गरीब क्यों है? कुछ तो कारण होगा ना. इतने गरीब क्यों कि ये एवरीडे इनको ढूंढना पड़ता है काम के और उनको पैसा चाहिए. Right? So Gosaipur and Majoli are two villages. One name is Gosaipur, another name is Majoli. Are two villages in North Bihar. It's real. It's real. Majoli is there, and Gosaipur is also there in Bihar. Out of a total 180, 850 households in the two villages, there are more than 250 men who are employed in rural Punjab and Haryana. 250 लोग ऐसे हैं जो पंजाब एंड हरियाणा के अंदर काम करते हैं. 250 फैमिली के लोग. More than 250 men who are employed in rural Punjab, Punjab का गांव, rural means गांव, and Haryana, all in Delhi, Mumbai, Surat, Hyderabad, or Nagpur. Any state, any city, right? The labels of Bihar, maybe literate, maybe illiterate, maybe educate. They know their technical background or non-technical background. In the industries also you can find with the technical knowledge, with non-technical knowledge. Such migration is common in most of the village. Why they used to migrate? Main question is why they used to migrate. Migrate क्यों होते हैं? Migrate क्यों होते हैं? Migrate इसलिए होते हैं कि they are in search of job. That's why they used to migrate from one place to another. A man is going from village to city. Why is going to city? To settle over there, and when he will go settle himself, he will look for the job. If he got the job, then he will fetch upon his family over there. He will pick up his family from there. Right? All the laborers, all the migrants, they used to move from one place to another place in search of jobs. And that is a common factor across India. Why do people migrate? Can you decide based on your imagination? आपके imagination होगा ना कि आपके खेतों में भी लोग काम. कोई from that is not from Haryana. It could be if your villages have good amount of land and all good land, then lots of migrant labor is also working in your. So the work that migrants of Gosaipur and Majoli might do at a place of destination, right? So this was here, right? And next topic is the capital needed in farming. The capital needed in farming. A small part I will do it. Rest of part I will do it tomorrow, right? We have already seen that the modern farming methods require a great deal of capital. यदि आपको machine खरीदना है, you have to purchase a machine. For example, you want to purchase a tractor, you want to go for the harvester or thresher or some other machinery, even pesticides.